Howdy, family and friends. Welcome to my channel, Blissful Foods. Today I'm at a very beautiful natural place which I would like to show you. This is just a little distance away from Toronto. I'll give you the map and the distance and the address in the video. Just follow this. This is the beautiful Tiffany Falls. As you can see here, it is so beautiful. Let's go have a look how beautiful it is. This is a beautiful falls where almost everybody can come. As you can see, even the trail, the walking trail is fairly easy, and it's very close to the parking lot. As you can see, the parking lot here, and then you have to walk a little bit up to the falls. This is the water coming down from the falls. There's a mountain up there. And this is the walking trail, and that is the flow of river from the waterfalls, very close to the road. There's a little bridge we have to cross. We have to cross the bridge from there to here over the river, and then again cross from this side to that side. Anyway, it's good. It's a beautiful trail, a beautiful day. I'm sure everybody's going to enjoy. This is another. It's a very good trail, very fairly easy to walk. In the entire trail, this little path, maybe 10 steps, is the only one which is a little bit difficult because it's rugged with stones. Otherwise, most of it is very nice, easy. That is the Tiffany Falls. There's a beautiful viewing gallery as you go up here. And there is the beautiful falls. The beauty about this falls is, like many other falls, is different. In different seasons is different. Let me take you more closer to the falls. You can come here and relax, dip your feet in these waters, get in touch with nature. It's so blissful. You feel blessed being here. I wonder how many people can really come here and feel the nature, be part of the nature. Look at the beauty. As you know, my channel is all about promoting local facts, local businesses, and local points of interest. Another difficult obstruction is when you come, you can walk along here, then you have this two huge trunks on the way. So to cross, you have to come over this. Look at this beauty, this splendor, subhanallah. Wow. It's a cold day today, otherwise in summer you can go and stand there, over there. Oh yeah, a lot of people stand there and have a bath in summer when the water is a little warmer, but today it's like freezing cold. It's a nice place to just sit and chill like these people are doing. You can sit on any of these rocks over there, wet your feet, get energized in this nature. Yeah, one thing I should tell you, there is a parking ticket like this one, and you have to buy it from there are two stations there. Pay for parking, pay here, you can see that it's about $11 for the whole day. Tiffany Falls, as I just showed you, is a very nice, very beautiful place. However, there are two things I found not so good. One is the parking is $11 per hour. Now, I don't know if somebody wants to go and sit there for a couple of hours, do they have to come back every time and then buy a ticket for another 1 hour and go back? Because I didn't find the option to buy for more than 1 hour. So that's one thing. And the other thing is, sadly, there is no washroom there. There is no those cabins they call Johns or something. Yeah, there is no washroom or toilet there. That could be a little bit difficult for the elderly and for the kids, because just going to the falls and coming back can take about half an hour, 45 minutes, 1 hour, depends on how you are able to do that. So that's one negative thing, is there is no washrooms in that area. And that area is always nice, cool, shady. It's a very beautiful place. So I wish there was some toilet there, and I wish there was option to pay for the parking for more than 1 hour. Otherwise, it's a beautiful place. You will definitely enjoy. And with that, we come to the end of today's tour of the beautiful, wonderful Tiffany Falls. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments how you liked, and also let me know if there's any special places that you want me to go and make videos and give you some more information. I will be happy to do that. Also, please subscribe and like my channel so that I can make more videos like this for you. With that, I conclude. And remember, please spread love and be happy. I'm yours, Hassan. Thank you.